Hello, good night everyone. Welcome to my live stream. And sorry, tonight I will continue this app progress that has been 80% I think for the UI. So yesterday last live stream. Wait, we have some order detail here and error tracking, I mean, and we have this message button, but we don't have any page to navigate here for the destination for this button. And I said that I will just copy from my previous project, which is this dating apps, and it has this kind of interface, and I think I'll just copy it and adjust from the several point. Adjust this view, okay. Let's see for the call page. Okay, if I copy this one, I need to copy all of them for the asset, so I will thinking about it later. For the first one, I will need this one. Of course, we need the image for the button send here, but it less than the previous one for the call page, so let's try to just copy. For the first one, let's copy from the item this component, because this is where we have some configuration about who sent the message, me or the driver. I think I can just copy here. If I look at this one, actually we don't need some asset. Maybe we just need to set the parameter or the color them for the container, this one, because I don't set for this one. Let's try to copy, then we just pass to another project, because I never copy a component from the another project. So let's try to order driver information, order state, toolbar, order chart button, dialog, order call, image, chat, call and chat, order. Let's try to add this one. And what's the name? Item bubble chat, item chat, nothing. Showing bubble chat from sender in chat room page. Oh, it's possible. Let's try to check the color. Field message. Is it automatically pass from another one? A field message. Actually, I don't define it yet. Yes, I don't define yet. Let's try to add some parameter here. And look at this, it is actually we can just set the data type. Can you just copy this one? It's not possible. That time message string sender plane. That let's define the component parameter here. That time message string, and then is sender boolean, of course with initial value, not me. Okay, let's try to check this one. Is there any error? Which one cause error is sender? Boolean property not properly set in the bubble. This one. It's sender. Oh, I think we need to reselect for the parameter. Okay, what we can hi. We I am on the way sending your order. Default variable. Oh no, I think can we just set this one? Default variable. This should be possible to. No, it's not possible. Empty space. That time. Okay, we have defined this one, and for the second one, this is still this one transparent. So I think to set this one with tertiary background. Wait. Okay. Okay, if I look at this one, I think this one it's from styling, widget styling. Chat bubble receive. Chat bubble receive. Why it's work? Them style unset. Let's try to set one. Wait. This one. Save this widget. This one. Chat bubble sender. Okay, let's copy the theme. Them in this one. Chat bubble. Okay, we have inconsistent name here. Sometimes we use underscore lowercase snake case. Sometimes we use camel case. But for the readability, I think it's easier to read by snake case because we know that this is the separator. Chat bubble duplicate. chat bubble receiver. Let's try to set this one as tertiary background. Okay, save, and let's try to rename another one, make it more readable. Hi Gladson, thank you for visiting this live stream. Sorry, I just focus on build this app and need to change the tab to read the comment. Container shadow. Okay. Card container. I think I will rename for the resource like this one by lowercase, and for the widget name on this one by camel case. Because until now I don't decide the standardize, so it will look mess. Is the music too loud and my voice is not non-audible, or it's okay? Text field default. This is the default one from the FlutterFlow. This combination camel case and snake case. Okay, snake case. Okay, good. Let's try to chat. The size max with 18 tertiary. Maybe because the text one, it doesn't set any message. Hi. I'm on my way to your home. Space. For this one default, for UI builder I will. Hi, please be careful. Please be careful. Bringing the order. Mengantar to apa? Wait, let me translate it. Sometimes I forget the English. Mengantar. Deliver. Oh my god. Deliver. Sorry. I think we have some issue here about the position of the container. This is right center. 8 0. It doesn't define. Can we just delete this one? And padding. Why this one is look like? Is it because the sender is two line? Let's try. Please wait. Okay, yes, correct. It's because this one. Let's try to define line height. For the text, I think it should be not bold. Let's add this one, them as chat message text. This one too, it should be normal. Okay, this one is good. For the text should be more lighter. It should be lighter. Because sometimes we don't focus on the time instead of focus on the message. Okay, looks good. Now let's try it on the chat room again and add some page to order its component. For page, product, profile, restaurant, order page. This one, order tracking, order chat. I'm not sure, but for the chat room it should be related on the order, not the driver, because when we have or create a new order but it the same driver, the chat from the driver should be gone because it's dependent on the chat room, not the driver account itself. So let's try edit on the order chat. Okay, we don't have here chat room page. Showing chat room page with the driver. Like the usual one, we should delete here. I think we need to copy here because we need to focus with the driver account. So if we need to create new toolbar here, and toolbar general, this one, toolbar ornamental. Let's define this one. For this one, photo profile, authentication, user ID, email verified, user email ID. We can generally set this one picture directly from this component, so it will showing our photo profile, but it will make it cannot be reused by another account, like to showing the photo of the driver. But if we set this path from the component, we will need to define this photo one by one, where we use this component. So because I have set this parameter photo profile for this component, so we can reuse this one into our chat room page and adjust the parameter with the driver data. Let's try to add this one with component toolbar general. Okay, title, it should be chat. Photo profile, let's say random image for the sample. Is back button, yes. Datetime format. For the format, let's try with a simple one. Friday April year, because the chat usually not will stay or not. After the order we cannot open the message, so I think it's not long last. We don't need the year part for the date format. What is this? Moment ago relative. What a moment ago mean? Let's try with April. This is 25 or 2025? 25 April. Oh, this one is okay. Okay, and this one, but we need time format. My bad. We need time format. Time. Which one use time on this one? Custom format. If using custom format, I think I will add with this. Just like this one. Why? FlutterFlow, please. You have some bug here. But I think it should be changed from here, because we need to flip horizontally for this point, not pointer, but for this side. So it should be nah. Okay, save and let's see. Okay, it's much better. For boolean, not sender, but it should be opposite. Okay. Chat room page. Let's add the chat, this one. Build message. Container message. Container message should be rounded. Let's create widget. we can just directly from this one. For the radius, of course, we need to pick up okay. For the background, I think it should be secondary, tertiary, primary, secondary background. Okay, let's try to fill this one by primary background. Okay, like this one, and send message initial over the placeholder label. This one. Why it doesn't show anything? Send message. Is it because the color? Hint. Well, the caption. Divider. Okay, not bad, but the size normal 16. Oh, what? Send. We don't have asset for this one. Can they just copy from theirs? Open your asset in new tab to download it. Can I copy? Oh, it's not possible. Let's try to export one. Aduh, my bad. It's not the page. It should be from this one. Or we can just use icon, but it's too general, it's too basic, and it's not special icon like so which one is dark? Outline, just outline. We just need the outline one. This one. We need light mode and dark mode, so we will need to change the color. Okay. SVG. Can I rename it? Faces and light. AC center. Image import. Which one is import? Okay, let's go back and set this one. For light mode we set the dark, and for the dark we set the light. Okay, nice, but I think the padding, it's too big, isn't it? Is it container? I think because this one. So P16 and this one. I don't know why, but popping. It's look like that. Let's try to add container. And just expand one. And this view. You select that. Let's try to generate that. This one should be random. For that, Unix timestamp. What is this? What is this? No. How to get the grid sample by that? Random that message is sender. Let's try to make it index, make it sample index in list. Wait, custom code expression. Add argument. This one should be index. Integer value is from the index list. Return is boolean. Is list false. Expression is what is the name? Index. Index modulo 2 equal 0. So we will create this one by assume that the sender, when the index from this chat is even. Let's try to look at this one, how it can, oh, it expanded, not flexible, and it should be from bottom. Is it reverse? The latest one should be in bottom. I think yes. How about the list one? How it can fill the content? Vertical, string web, primary, reverse, string web. Oh, okay. It's because alignment. Okay, we done here. But for the background, it's to what does this mean? To polos apa mas? Not as pattern, polos, plain. It's too plain. It's too plain. Let's try to search that page from here. This one. This is font. Which one is chat? Background chat. Let's use this one. It's image, I think, so we can use by SVG, but let's scale up the asset to 3 times and import here. Using background image. Asset. Stretching. This one, I think it should have some padding. Okay, I like this one. For this one, I'm not sure, but is it because the save area? So, oh, okay. Let's try to take like to create like this one. Yes. This chat should be from the order tracking. This one. Container message. Let's try to add action to navigate to chat room page. The shadow is look funny. Let's run. Think it should be okay. Hopefully it's not error because we just copy from the previous apps that should be work. Did the music is audible twice because I see the mix and auxiliary full by per even if when I don't say anything. Okay. Facebook chat. Oh, not order, track order. Jing jing. Okay, this work properly, but I think it's because I don't set the message. Wait. This one. Hi, do you on the way? Look, if you see here, we have defined that the array start from 0, so the first chat it should be from the sender. It's mean me, I as a sender. So this one, the first chat is this is this bubble, and it's aligned right with primary because I create this one code expression to detect if the chat is the chat that sent by me is the event in sequence. It's 0, 1, 2, 3. It's correctly. The image is, yeah, it's correct. It's not a pair because we just use random image and it's not show up in the test mode. But the toolbar, I think I need to add some more padding for the top. Okay, the chat is done. It's finished. Let's try to modify. I think the chat should be have the max size instead of minimum size. Max with percent. It's correct. Max with but I'm curious why it's still showing full even when I set. Is it because this one? The container 0 max width 18. What if I delete this one? It's still showing look like this. Max width. It doesn't mean anything. It's because max width, but the max width should not working like that. It should be work when it should be more than 18. It should be work when the content is more than the max size, not when it's less than max size. What if I set this one is 100? What if I set this one, this size, and then set the tag? I'm on my way delivering your order. Please wait. So it should be here. Let's try to set both of min and maximum, and let's try to copy and try to delete this one. It's still not working. Nope. Stack is based on the content. Publish receive.
Besok narik dong.
Narik apa?
Duit podcast.
Udah ngerti.
Tak mau.
Wait, it's still mystery. Why it doesn't work for the minimum width, minimum width, and maximum one. text is correct. It's not fill the container, but the container is like it has intrusive talk. It doesn't work. So setting width is not solve the problem. I'm curious why it doesn't work. Even if I don't set the max width, it still fill the content. Let me see. I think it's because this one, I don't know why it fill the stack nope, column it should not fill. No. What? Why it doesn't work? Why it doesn't working? Because it's strange. It's weird. It's weird because even when I just have one character here, it will fill the rest of the size. The container elevation is not fill color. No. Should I render to solve this problem? Container fill box event set min size flutter. Maybe we can find the answer here. When someone learning asks you why some widget with 100 is not 100 pixel wide, the default answer is tell them put widget inside our center, right? You do, they will come back again and again asking why some fitted box isn't working. The first cell, second cell. The first cell limitation. When post procedures mean that Flutter lays out its widget very efficiently. Cannot have any size it wants. A widget can decide its own size only within the constraint given to it by its parent. A widget can now and doesn't decide its own position on the screen. GPT? Let's try to asking ChatGPT. I have a component in Flutter text inside the container, but somehow when I set minimum width and maximum width, and the content text doesn't fill the maximum width, the container fill the rest automatically and not set it according the content. And the content text has width less than. Usually you're running into issue your content is expanding to fill max width even though the text content is smaller, which typical Flutter because most widgets try to expand to fill intrinsic width container. Use constraint block and intrinsic width. Oh, so not efficient. Container with a tight constraint will usually expand. Let's try to grab this one. Where does I change? Can I grab this one? Intrinsic. I think it doesn't constraint. Intrinsic width. No, not FlutterFlow. I know it says limitation, but I assume that it should be provide the basic one feature. Well, the width content and infinite to the size screen house at the people. Infinite, using infinite, yeah. It doesn't quite work for my use case because the image width need to be set to infinite rather than as percent. But is I think this one error when the image should be on the 100 1:1 aspect ratio, and if they set to infinite, they will fill the rest of height and not equal with the width. No, it's not solve my problem. Row and column stack. Okay, I understand about this one. What I am not understand is about this expansion of flex. This one. Container. This is fill the rest even if I don't set this one. I think I need to wrap this one with row because row has content. Is it work? No, it doesn't work. It's still not working. Let's assume that it's not possible for now. Or if you find how to make this text and not make this container fill the width according the text inside this one, inside the container, just let me know, because I cannot find how to make it wrap. And I don't know why this content is filled with is it because tag? But if no, this one, no. Oh, nope. Alignment is not working. It's so mysterious. Okay, let's assume that it's okay for now. Let's try to rerun. Actually, to make this time like this component, I need to check if the chat has the different date with the previous one or the next one, and it will show this one. Else it will hide the date on the center. But let's skip this one. Wow, it's record the live stream, so view by 13 people. Usually it's 0 and people is watching on the replay, but it's okay. Don't be shy. Let's talk and discuss about this live stream, this project. Okay, looks good, but not that good. This one, why it's I'm still curious about this one. What if I set this one with the row? Wrap? No. Transform? Flexible? No. What does that mean? It doesn't work. This, even if I said make the widget not fill space, or I should not set this maximum. No, it doesn't. Click on them. Nope. Nope. Or it should be expand. If the so it can be wrapped by row like this. Finally the text should be set in wrap by row, and it should be wrap. Let's try to add some the text chain. Okay, it's working. Okay, finally after 15 20 25 minutes debugging. Finally, so we can just wrap this one with row. Okay, and set this one. Flex one. Okay, don't forget to flex, because if we use it the default one, it will like this one, break the boundary, boundary. We should use flex, this one, flexible, this one too, so it will automatically wrap to the below when the content is overlapping. Okay, instant reload. I think I will end stream after check this one, run this one. It has been 1 hour, and I think my watch time average is just 15 seconds. under 1 minute. It's like people looking short in my video. Yeah. Why? No. Oh, is it because the flex one? How about the expand? It doesn't work. No. Default make it not feel. How is it possible? How is it possible? I use flex. It should be flexible. It's weird. It doesn't work. Set go is not fixed. It's not solve my problem. X should be expand. Auto says, what is that? Okay, I'm done. I'm cooked, guys. It's not possible. But if you find some how to do it, please comment below and let me know, because yeah, I need some feedback from you guys. Okay, it's not possible. It's still looking bad. I don't know why. Okay, everyone, thank you for coming to this live stream. I appreciate your attendance, even if you were not chat and communicate with me, but I appreciate, because I think I never get this view for this time, at least until now. Thank you guys, and sorry if there any mistaken in this live stream. I think I waste your time by debugging for 20-30 minutes and doesn't find anything how to solve this problem. See you on the next stream. Thank you. Bye bye.